We are making simple origami hearts today, using paper with botanical patterns. You need a square paper. Fold the square diagonally. Open the square and fold it again, creating another diagonal line. When you open the paper again, you will see a cross in the middle. If you are using a single-sided paper, make the printed side face down. Bring the corner at the bottom up, to the center of the square. Rotate the paper, turning it upside down, and bring the corner at the bottom all the way up. Lift the right side of the paper, and fold it, aligning it with the line at the center. Repeat on the other side, bringing the left side up. Turn the heart over. Fold in the top corners, forming the top of the origami heart. The end of the corner should meet the edge of the paper below. And finally, you need to fold in the corners on both sides, forming triangles similar to those on top. And here is your first origami heart. You could make many more, using different type of paper, or different size of paper. The origami hearts can be used to decorate wedding tables, and could be used as place cards. You could add a piece of string to each heart, and suspend the hearts from wishing trees, or from other decorations, such as your wedding ceremony flower arch.